I've got a nice little straightforward turning job to do. It's a piece of bar, one end's 45mm, one end's 35. That length there is 35, and whatever I've got left on the bar, leave it 35, that end. It's going to be welded into something so the sizes aren't that critical, but it's always good to use the time, if you've got the time, to practice hitting the size. The ideal way is to go for the 30-45 first, and if you make a mistake, then you can go for the 35. Make a mistake on that, you're knackered like, but we'll go for the 45 first, for a length of 35mm. I've got a bit of 50mm mild steel bar, so that should do quite nicely. Try and get some nice close-up shots of machining this. First thing to do is square the end up, and I've measured and there's enough material out of the chuck to make sure that we can get the length of 35. That tool's slightly, very slightly below centre height, so we'll tweak it up a little bit. Better, but not quite right. Right, so we'll just check again. We can definitely get 35 in there. In the bar, I'm sure the bar's 50. It is, so we can take a 2mm cut straight away, and that'll get it down to 46. Just going to touch this off on the end. Set up the 0 and the DRO, touch it off on there, put a 2mm cut on, straighten the chip very nicely, and stop them just short of the 35 and we can finish the shoulder off. Right, that's actually 45.1, so a spring cut will take it down to the right size. Like I say, it's going to be welded into something, we might as well use a little bit of time we've got to practice for a finish and for the size. Right, the vernier says it's dead on, so we'll try it out with the make. The micrometer says it's a funny's hair, oversized, but I'm sure for a weld fit you'd be more than happy with that. Check the length again. .35, so we'll turn it round, the machine here I say down to 35. You can feel when it goes in, it finds a place that it wants to be, and that is a master jaw. You tighten last, that one, and that should be running fairly true. The chuck is good. I'll put a clock on there just out of interest. This is not ground bar, it's just ordinary bright mild steel. So that's basically nothing. That 3-jaw chuck's one of the best things I've ever bought. It really has made a big difference to how quickly you can set things up. that's enough. You can hear the lathe working there, really is grafting. Stop it just before the end. Another 3mm. Right, oh God. 35.6. So that there, 35.6. You should put it dead on size. Right, I've got 35.0108. Basically that's 35mm. So now we need to take off the little shoulder we've left. Normally I would centre drill a part like this, depending on what it's going to be used for, because when it's going to be welded into something, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, that's not bad. Spot on the money, that one, 35mm. Once again, it just remains to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It does make a big difference. Anyway, thanks for watching.